So yung Zamboanga
Yes.
shooting lang po, what updates can you share with us?
What updates? Okay, this is from the also another hearsay from what you know, ongoing yung investigation ng ano natin. Ongoing investigation ng law enforcement agencies natin. We're waiting for ano, I understand in-invite na rin yung ano, yung may-ari ng barel, no? And for questioning, no? But still the Department of Justice, our field office will be ready to accept kung ano man ipa-file na complaint doon, and we will be ready to act on that.
Since the DOJ is a member of the Anti-Terror Council, ano po yung parang mas long-term na gagawin nating action? Naalala ko po kasi yung Tacloban shooting na bring up na ito,
Yes.
na parang i-invoke or gagamitin yung Anti-Terror Council to deal with this, especially if it's related with NP.
Well, ang medyo malalim na what our law enforcement agencies have pursuing now, and agents, no? We have now teams looking at possibilities. Alam nyo yung we're confirming information na mentor. Alam nyo yung mini-mentor yung mga bata na may nag-e-engage sa kanila. Tinetext sila, tapos parang meron silang kinoconsult na okay ba tong ginawa ko? Ano ba tong gagawin ko? So we're pursuing those aspects, no? But the details, I can only give you generalities kasi ongoing yung actions ng law enforcement agencies natin. On the aspect of it being a terrorist act, definitely, nakikita naman, because the purpose of terrorism is to sow fear, di ba? In the general population. So, pag nakita nyo, that element of creating fear on the public, it's present, no?
Yung nabanggit yung mentoring na pinupurso ninyo, para saan po?
Ito yung ano,
registration?
alam nyo yung ine-engage yung bata. Pag nakita kasi na yung may flags na ganun yung bata, nagbababad sa ganong violent games, may mga nagta-target sa kanila and nire-recruit sila on certain group chats. Tapos yun na nagsisimula. So, pero heavy na ang mga law enforcement agencies natin on this. We're pursuing all these leads, no? Tapos ang pakiusap ko pala, this is an appeal to the parents and to those really exercising parental authority. Please exercise it with earnest, no? Tutukan natin kung anong ginagawa ng mga bata natin. Let's engage, kausapin natin sila. Kasi baka sasabihin kasi, I have kids, no? Laging sasabihin nila, it depends naman on the person, pero let's guide them, no? You know your children better, you know your kids better. Please, tutukan natin yung mga bata, no? Yung kung ano yung ginagawa nila.
Yung pursuing on the part of the DOJ, parang pursuing ano po ba, parang possible legislation, tutulong, paano po?
Everything is in the menu, di ba? Proposing new legislation. Pero ngayon, active kasi tayo muna ngayon on the law enforcement. Yung mga active na ito nga, yung nihilist violent extremism, no? Tinitingnan natin, no? So may nakikita kasi tayo, no, na talagang, tapos ito rin ang pakiusap namin, no? Yung pag-take down ng this violent, alam niyo yung konsepto ng copycat, di ba? I want to seek help from the media also and the public, di ba? If it's really, let's not repose, no? Let's restrain, no? The real power here is the power of restraint, no? If it's a violent video, tapos nakarating sa'yo, ang gagawin mo, isi-share mo pa at ipapas.
Pwede ba kasuhan yun, sir?
We're very, very gray area, di ba? It's part of the of our spectrum ng freedoms, di ba? Pero yung sharing, we can do it individually as Filipinos. Let's help in this, no? Pag may nakita kayong violent, pornography, isi-share mo pa. Diba? You're creating a society na, ito ba ang gusto nating society? Kama naman, let's all grow up. Diba? Let's not be act like children. Hindi ba? Very violent, isi-share mo pa. Diba? Tulong-tulong tayo dito.
Pero may legal consequence po ba?
Like this case, minors and mga victims. O may liability to being resharers po?
Yung resharers, we're still looking at that. Kasi pag tinignan natin, no, existing jurisprudence would tell us that this is within the spectrum ng freedom, no, or liberties of individuals. So I have serious reservations pa